Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Mendeley. This is a recap of a previous tutorial, okay? But some students are confused how to use Mendeley web importer, okay? And how to use Mendeley Desktop with MS Word. So first of all, I have tried Mendeley. This is the Mendeley extension, but I don't know why it is not working. Okay, so in future I will show you how to use Mendeley web importer. Okay, it is not working currently, so I will let it go for now. I will show you the how to use Mendeley Desktop Manager with MS Word. So Mendeley, okay. Uh, Whenever you need to uh, work with two softwares, okay, you have to connect those with any kind of way, like any APIs, any extension, anything like that connects both. Okay, so for now we have to install an extension so that we can work with Mendeley in MS Word. For that, you have to go to Mendeley Desktop, okay, and remember this version 1.1, 1.19.8, okay. So this is the version of the Mendeley. Now, tools. Come to tools, install MS Word plugin, right? Here you can also see MS Word Mendeley web importer here, web importer, okay. So I have tried it just before recorded this tutorial, but it was not working, so I just let it go for now. And now uh, install MS Word plugin. Okay, when you install it, come to MS Word. Okay, but let me first tell you that whenever you install that extension, you have to close MS Word files. Okay, this is MS Word, so you have to close it before you install it. Okay, then come to references. Here you see Mendeley Site-O-Matic, right? So now you can use Mendeley software with MS Word. Now I have showed you previously how to install um, new citation style, so you can see that there. Now for example, you need to cite a paper, okay, click on insert citation, go to Mendeley. Now you can go to Mendeley, for example, here, for example, I need to cite this, click on this one, okay. Now insert bibliography. Now this is the style of UESTC, okay. uh, or any style you want to install, or you want to use the predefined styles like IEEE, Chicago, whatever you want. So you can change it and you can see the changes directly on the screen, like see, so how it changes. Okay, for now that's all. If you have any question, then you can ask me. And one thing more, here I have Mendeley site. The difference between Mendeley site and Mendeley manager, desktop manager, is that you can't install a new reference style in Mendeley site. okay? But you can install a new reference style in a previous version of Mendeley Desktop Manager, okay? In a previous version means this one, this, where is that? Here, here, this one, okay? So version 1.19.8 in this version, and this one I think is from 2020, not 2024 or latest version. You do not need to install the latest version, just use the previous version, and this one is the most stable version of the this software. If you need to install the latest version of the this software, then there is no capability of installing new styles, okay? So this is the beauty of the previous softwares. I don't know why they haven't the this capability in the latest version. So uh, we will just work with this Mendeley version, okay? So thank you so much for now.